kids! This is Teacher MJ. Today, we will learn about the sound and the things that begin with the sounds of L, L, L. Are you ready? Let's begin! This is Lazy Lizard. Lazy Lizard says L, L. Can you do it with me? One more time. Lazy Lizard says L. Good job! Next, we will identify the things that begin with the sound of L. Here we go. Lizard, lion, leaf, lock, ladder, lip, lamp, and lemon. Again, those are the things that begin with the sound of L. Good job! Are you happy? Thank you so much for listening and watching. See you again!